Election 2020 is in full swing. These elections are pretty different from the earlier elections in America. Coronavirus has really made a difference. Coronavirus has just not been an election issue where Biden and President Trump have been debating over it and the way it has been handled at the state and the federal level. But also it has been instrumental in driving different ways of voting. Mail-in ballots have particularly been a preferential way where people have already voted. In all of America, around 90 million people have exercised their votes through early voting. Also, in the state of California, over 9.5 million people have already exercised their right of vote through early voting. Mail-in ballots have been particularly very popular. There have been drop-off locations for the ballots where the early voting right has been exercised. Right now I am standing in Hart Middle School in Pleasanton, which is one of the voting centers, and as you can see, people are coming on and exercising their right to vote.
Lisa Drostova, Alameda County Registrar of Voters, Accessible Voting Location Captain. It's really exciting that we have early voting starting on Halloween. I was hoping to see more costumes, but you take what you can get. So we are open from 9 to 5 today, tomorrow, Sunday, and on Monday from 9 to 5. And then on Election Day, we are open from 7 a.m. until 8 p.m. People can drop off their completed vote by mail ballots. They can vote curbside if they just want to drive up, or they can come in and vote.
So what is the special arrangement in the gymnasium this year at Hart Middle School?
The special arrangement is that instead of precincts and precinct polling places, we now have accessible voting locations. So anybody from anywhere in Alameda County can vote here, and they'll get the correct ballot. So if you're in Pleasanton for the day for some reason, if you're sheltering in place with your Pleasanton family, but you're ordinarily from Oakland or Berkeley, you can still vote, and you can vote in person. And we're taking all kinds of precautions. We're in a gym with a whole lot of space between voters, with airflow, and we're sanitizing, and ordinarily we're all wearing face shields. I took mine off for these purposes. So, and all voters are masked and gloved. It's probably safer to be here right now than the grocery store.
That's wonderful. That's great to hear. Any special message to the voters for election 2020?
Come out and vote. Turn in your ballot, whatever you need to do. We're going to make it as easy for you as we can.
That's wonderful, and special thanks to the county for making special elections for election 2020. Thank you, Lisa, for your time in speaking with Yo India TV. The good point is that California Governor Gavin Newsom has passed AB 860, which makes mail-in ballots acceptable at the election offices for voting up till 20th of November, which is 17 days after the election day of 3rd of November. Whereas in some of the other states, this is not acceptable and the ballots have to reach the election offices by 3rd of November. However, it is to note that these ballots have to be postmarked by November 3 to be eligible to be counted for voting in California. It is also notable that most of the youngsters, particularly people aged 18 to 24, are not preferring the mail-in ballots. They rather want to go and vote in person at the voting centers. So this is the general trend here. The main issues with Democrats versus Republicans is that on the liberty exercised in taxation and the siding of the BLM movement, etc. And the way the coronavirus has been handled, as I said earlier, is also one of the major stuff. And this has also gone into some religious backing and religious setting. The plurality is being questioned. Those have also been the issues. People from Indian origin who are with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they have also been very active this year in the American elections, and numerous political organizations have spun up at the local level, and they have contributed to making these elections more hot by participation of Indian Americans. Well, let's see how it turns out to be. What are the outcomes? We are also hearing that Governor Gavin Newsom is saying that civic unrest might happen after the elections, for which the state has already made massive preparations. The good part is that the county registrar Tim Dupius has said that 30 to 35,000 mail-in ballots are coming back every day. So that's a good thing. It's a good sign. People are participating heavily in the voting and they are exercising their right to vote. Around 88% of the Californians this year have registered to vote, which is great. So let's see what turns around in elections 2020. We'll keep you updated with all the happenings. This is Jasleen Khanuja signing off at Hart Middle School in Pleasanton. Keep you posted with more updates. Goodbye for now.